In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a new drive here on your PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. But what you're going to want to do on your PC or laptop is first open up File Explorer and scroll down on this page until you see this PC right here, and you'll see your current drive on there. Now from here, go ahead and select the search bar down on the little Windows section and type in disk management just like so and hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now on this page you're going to see a disk right here. In this option for Windows, go ahead and right click it and you're going to see the option to shrink it. Go ahead and select shrink, and it's going to go ahead and bring up a query for this shrink space. Now this could take a little bit of time. It's just kind of trying to figure out how much space you can actually shrink, and what you're going to want to do is actually shrink it to as much as possible. So it looks like I could shrink it quite a little bit. Go ahead and hit shrink on this just like so, and what that's going to do is put a new drive right here for unallocated space. Right click on it and select new simple volume and go through that setup wizard, and after you select finish on there, you'll now have a brand new drive ready to use. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.